Alright, just another update right away. We threw seaweed humic fulvic down, but wait, let's be sure about the fulvic. Yeah, so here we are with the seaweed humic, no fulvic. Something happened here. I watch everything Ryan does. Looks like fulvic been removed. I think I got this set up for Father's Day, so not that long ago. You guys tell me, why no fulvic? Last video we ran this. I'm pouring that concentrate into this. Really didn't have the fulvic in it. Pretty lackluster. I preferred how this came, but maybe they found something out. Please let us know, lawn care community, LCN, Connor, Ryan, let us know what's up with this guy here, why he's missing the fulvic in the concentrate. Anyway, in the spirit of throw her down and my low results from soil testing, we're gonna add this next. This is gonna water in this. It won't water in the fulvic because it's not there, but we're gonna head in with this here. See if we can get a quick pop out of it. Hang in there. Here we go. Neighbors are loading trailer. I feel like this is not having any suction. I see no brown. Alright, let's see if we're clogged. I'll pause you guys. Hang in there. Alright, so let's finish up. I switched to a brand new nozzle. It came in the pack with it. Must be a thing. We're going to do the lawn food. It seems to not come out as dark as the sea kelp, but I feel like it is going down slightly, so we'll continue the vid. Yeah, that's not a one-hand operation to get that switched on. Well, now that's it. My 20-minute timer has decided it's elapsed. So it might seem like a second to you. It took me a few minutes to switch nozzles. Hard to operate. You can see some pliers there. Keep all this stuff available. Not all. It's just a pair of pliers. Not a big deal, but I have it running on a Ryan Knorr style timer activated irrigation system, and I have a few heads out. Oh, I'll be back. I'll reset us for another 15 minutes and see if we can get her done. Alright, here we go. Bottle's going down now. Small. We have 1,000 square feet. There's the cat area. Not a lot I can do. I mean, there's a way. Cat coalition. We rescued her. We're not really that interested in sending her back there. She's fun. Her name is Steve French. Might see her in one of these videos. If you find her, you let me know. She's inspired by the Trailer Park Boys. Yeah, you might have seen her tail off there. Yeah, so as we move, we'll be seeing. You gotta watch it. You gotta be careful. I don't think you could burn anything up with this stuff, but I'm running off some results from some testing that I did today. I'll be backing this up with a more professional test. I'm hoping it's more than what I can do at home. Just a second opinion, mail out a soil sample, like, seems pretty popular. My brother at J. Smith Outdoors has done that. He had some results from a test, but he wasn't able to confirm whether or not he was able to maintain or change what was needed. His lawn looks great. Should check his channel out at J. Smith Outdoors. Alright, I gotta use two hands. We're gonna do a little pause here for hose management. We're back. That was a real just a second. We're going through the bottle. It's roughly 1,1250 square foot. Here's a little hum. You can see the neighbor in the backyard. We're in upstate New York, not Putnam County, not Dutchess County. We're way up in the northern side of Oswego County, so winter's coming. We'll be burning wood, pellets, oil, and everything else to survive that. Probably get a dozen more markers like this to keep the plow off the lawn. We got repaved. You probably see at least the look of the pavement is crisp. I don't know, they put about a 7/8, 1 inch top coat on an already garbage road. We'll see if it holds up. They did that last week. It's nice for skateboarding and biking. I don't know if she'll hang on. Alright, Ryan, let me know if it looks like I'm spraying that out appropriately. Connor, I've seen you spray this around a little bit. Let me know. I'm after you guys. I'm inspired by. And if anybody's got a link to a real mower under $1,000, Toro Greensmaster, of course, or a John Deere. Not looking for any California trimmers or LS or True Cuts. Those seem to leave weird lines. I'm looking to be solid stripes, not this look I have now or what the True Cut or California trimmer gives. It's a small lawn. I'm ready to invest just to really get the grass stitched right together with a really short cut. 1.25 inches. I reel mowed it going in with the manual Fiskars shut all the way down. I have some modification plans for that Fiskars, but I think the cuts per inch of travel are always going to produce that washboard finish, and I'm not looking for that. It's a full tour of the tiny yard. If it's small, better be perfect and thick.